Good morning to all my little baby YouTubers out there. Hope you're having a great day. I'm just up. Yep, it's a bit earlier. I just had a little chat with Beer. Pleasant dreams, mate. Hope you sleep well. Right, what we're going to do today. República del Costa Rica. 2000. I don't think I've done a Costa Rica going ring. So, right, well, let's punch a hole in it first, and then we can make decisions. After Christmas, I'm going to be going live. So, we can chat and, you can type it in and I can talk to you. I think that's how it's going to work. I'm not too sure. Right, got to do a glass again this morning. Right, here we go. Let's go to Big Bertha. Oops, Daisy. She's a bit wet on me today. She's dripping. Bertha, what are you up to? Right. Let's whack a hole in her. In the coin, that is. Oh, look at it. It's chucking it out. Bertha, what is wrong with you? I think, oh my God. Oh. I could zoom in there, but it might get some of you guys a bit too excited. Jesus, web, it's never been that bad. Still. Probably made in China. Right. I've got oil all over my hands. Yeah. Why does it do this? Oh yeah, look at that. Well, here we go again. Another organised day. Let your finger my ring. God. Do any of you guys just, is your life a mess? Or are you the organised type? I keep trying to get organised, I just can't do it. Hey, look at me. 6:30 in the bloody morning and I'm making bloody coin rings. Jesus wept. Is that dedication or what? Right, now we want to clean up that inside edge. This is Christy Burr. If you're new to the channel. And like I was saying, I used to polish my, well, I started off with the satin look, because I quite like the satin look. Then I started polishing them, and now I'm going back. But it's not the satin look anymore, it's the Edwin look. And you got any questions about that, you can drop them in under the video, in the comments. So I think the Edwin looks a lot better. What the hell am I talking about? Right, let's show it a bit of love. So I'm just up then, Beer, and you're just up in bed, eh? Wow. Can't find anything. Okay. Jesus, what? Let's use the scissors, eh? My girlfriend will be very happy about this. I'll just do the edge. If she see me doing this, she'd go bloody crazy. Well, let's not try and get the ends too dark, or she'll suss me out. You've been doing it with my scissors. Sorry, darling. Right, I'm running out of space. The next thing is, what side are we going to do? Well, there's not a lot going on there, is there? Okay, oh, Jesus wept. There's not a lot going on there, really. This is going to be... You might lose a bit of this. Oh, decisions. Okay, let's just have this on the outside of the ring. I mean, it's... Oh, I don't know. Come on, it's bloody early. I've only had one cup of tea at the moment. Without the staples and a bit of string and a bit of cardboard. But Jesus. Yeah, let's go for this. Right, so this is going to go face down. My 17 degree. Let's go over to Big Red. And show it some love. Oh yeah, it's pretty good. Oh la la. Right, bit of kitchen roll. There's a bit left on here. Let's go over to our friend, Spike. And show it some love. I just felt the punch side, it's not too bad. Sandy wasn't required. Dropped it, found it. Yeah, I get the bus to this place where my Christmas market is. I don't use my car hardly at all, really. It's so easier to use public transport. And bloody cheap as well. And on time. A touch more. Ouch. So you want to close it up. I've got to get a new wing stretcher after Christmas because this is very narrow. It's narrower than the first one I had. I mean, it's really good, but I'd like it a bit, you know, a bit more meaty. That's pretty good. Right, what we got? We just want to straighten the walls up now. So, I think I better break out Bernie the fire starter again. Can't find nothing. Bloody glass everywhere. Right, let's just use the scissors again. Sorry, darling. I still love you. It looks professional, doesn't it, this, with the scissors? I think so. Yeah, I think it's very professional looking nowadays. Bloody glass everywhere. Scissors holding the coin. Yeah. Hey, let's start a new trend. The scissor coin ring maker. Right, let's dry it off. And let it whack in here. Well, you like starting with these. I could try it. Too much. Why do I bother? Right, let's go over to the bottom end of the spike. My reduction dies. Wah, baby. Touch more. Touch more. There you go. Pretty damn sexy. Right, do we have a lip? No, there's no lip. Focus. It looks like there's a lip in there, but there's not. Nothing I can cut out. You always check with your nail. Right then, so let's break out. Oh, is this plugged in? Probably not. Oh, it is. Let's break out. Dave the Dremel. And we give it a nice Edwin look. Now for some reason, it's now magnification has gone. There you go. Why, I don't know. Don't ask me. I know nothing. But if you'd like these polished, I'd happily polish them for you. I couldn't work in a shop though, for real, you know. Some of these shops, you just sat there all day, you know. A couple of customers come in. Bloody huge shops, no one's buying anything. It was a slow day for me yesterday. I mean, at the moment with my stuff, people are just looking, you know. They usually do each year, they just look. Get some ideas, and they do their Christmas shopping, and it might be quite good for me, but that's cool, you know. But I'm not the sort of guy that could there you go, folks. One Costa Rica coin ring with the Edwin look. That's why I used the kitchen one. Should I have used the other side? Oh shit, maybe I should have done. Yeah, my girlfriend's going to give me some hoochie coochie over that, I think. But hey, she thinks she's the boss, but, well, she is the boss. Well, I tell her, I let her pretend she's the boss, but... Okay, folks, it's now the Edwin look, and on the inside it says thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, and on here it says and hit the like button. Have a great day, and I'll catch you tomorrow morning if I'm still around. Take it easy. Bye bye. Oh shit. What size we got? Stupid boy. Right, you always measure from the reeded side of the coin, because it's the thickest part of the coin. And we're looking at a size 60 on the blue, 66. There you go. Bit of bingo for you now as well. Okay, guys and girls, have a great day. Wrong finger, that's the finger. And see you tomorrow. So bye bye.